Hello, dear students. How are you? Today, I'm going to show you how to get to your class on Google Classroom because as a consequence of coronavirus, many students are staying at home, or almost all students are staying at home, and the government here in Jordan decided that students should be taught online. So you need to log in into many of these websites, especially Google Classroom. If you have never been there, you just go to Google and Google it. Just type Google Classroom. You will find this result, which is Google Classroom sign in. This one allows you to jump into the website directly, and then this page will ask you to enter your email and password. Of course, the email is provided by your school if you're going to join a school virtual classroom, which is here on Google. So the school is going to be providing all students with the emails and passwords, or they might ask you to log in using your personal email, and that's okay. For me, I want to sign in with this email, which is the email of my school, and then you enter your password and you will find yourself here on this page. This page, for me as a teacher, I have many classes: 12th SAT, 12th National, 11th National, 8th International, for example. But for you, you're gonna be having like English, maths, chemistry, Arabic language, and so on. So if you are provided with the email from your school, that's gonna be there. Just you're gonna sign in and you're gonna find your classes here. But if you have created your own or used your own email, you have to join a class. You have to press this symbol, the plus, and press join class. When you press this, the website is going to ask you for the class code. You need to ask your teacher about the class code or ask the school administration. I think most schools now are providing the students with the emails and passwords so that they can log in, or they provide you with the class code so you can just join classes. When you enter the code here, for example, and press join, the teacher will receive a notification that student whose name is he or she wants to join your class. Once you've finished this, that's it. You just enter your class and start studying. You can find classwork. I have not assigned any homework or classwork for my students. I'm working on that. But you can find everything here. which is so awesome. For example, here is the class code of 12 Sat C. Here's the code. When you just log in, that's it. You can answer questions, comment, post anything you want, or ask your colleagues to help you with something. That's good website, by the way. And the teacher will start assigning different things for you guys: the material, video links, quizzes, worksheets, study sheets. That's it. So for me, this is the way you can join a classroom. If you have any difficulty in doing that, you can easily just contact me and I'm gonna show you that. For my students, my schools, I need all of you to join the classes or at least accept the invitations, because we have sent you some invitations to join us in this website. Thank you for now, and I hope you guys stay at home, and bye bye for now.